Welcome back to Market Lens, your trusted source for deep dive market analysis. Today, we're putting three tech giants head to head: Nvidia, AMD, and Intel. The question is simple: which one of them could 10x your investment in 2025? Let's get into it. First, let's look at the money. In 2024, Nvidia is expected to generate $60 billion in revenue, outpacing both Intel at $52 billion and AMD at just $25 billion. But revenue alone doesn't tell the full story. What about profits? Nvidia again dominates with $22.5 billion in net income. That's more than double Intel and 7 times more than AMD. This puts Nvidia in a league of its own in terms of profit margins. When it comes to innovation, Intel actually leads the pack. With over $13.5 billion spent on R&D in 2024, Intel is doubling down on catching up in AI and chip performance. Nvidia invests heavily too, about $8 billion, mainly in AI data centers and next-gen GPUs. AMD is the most conservative here with $5.5 billion in R&D. So while Intel is behind in revenue and profit, it's not giving up the fight. Let's turn to EPS, earnings per share, a key metric for stockholders. Nvidia, $9 per share. Intel, $2.10. AMD, $1.50. This means Nvidia is delivering more return per share than both its competitors, a big deal for long-term holders. Now, here's the twist. Despite these fundamentals, Nvidia trades at a massive $2.1 trillion market cap. AMD sits around $220 billion, and Intel at $150 billion. So if you're asking which stock can 10x, remember, it's much easier for a $150 billion company to grow tenfold than a $2 trillion giant. Let's break it down. Nvidia is the clear winner in current performance and AI leadership, but its size may limit future gains. AMD has strong growth potential and is leaner, but it's trailing in margins and scale. Intel is the comeback story. If its R&D bets pay off, it might have the most upside and the lowest expectations priced in. The answer depends on your strategy. Do you want safety and dominance or risk with reward?